Malaya and Harry Show. It's Malaya and the Harry Show. As you can see here, well, first thing we started off with making making suggestions for your videos. We started thinking and thinking. Came up with an idea of singing. We started off with singing, hilarious, and much more things. Until one day we decided, well, we're always boring, just giving shout outs. We will be giving shout outs. We will be giving shout outs, so we'll have you a question of the day. Question of the day. I'm uploading a YouTube video, Malaya. So, we were bored. And so we were bored and we decided so we were really bored and we thought, why not come up with a funny character? Oh my god, I have a talent show. I'm the girl here. Malaya, I'm not sure what she is. So we decided that we'll make you a preview. We will be showing you. Let me. Later I will be getting into my costume to make a parody. So let's keep going. Here you go. A little preview of Malaya. Here you go. Malaya. Cool. I'm Malaya. The star. Here's me. And that was all for today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. So I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.